name is Intan Maretania Wulandari. Here I will explain material about adding and subtraction integer. The first material is about the definition of integer, where the definition is integer are whole number, including positive number, negative number, and zero. They can be represented on a number line with zero as the origin. Positive integers are located to the right of zero, while negative integers are located to the left. Some examples of integer include -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. They can be used to represent various quantities such as temperature, altitude, and financial balance. The next material examples on the number line. Example 1, 5 plus -2. Step 1, start at 5 on the number line. Step 2, move 2 units to the left because we're adding a negative integer. Result, you reach 3 on the number line. So, 5 plus -2 equal 3. Next, visualizing integer on a number line. The first addition. To add a positive integer, move to the right on the number line. To add a negative integer, move to the left. The second subtraction. To subtract a positive integer, move to the left on the number line. To subtract a negative integer, move to the right. The last one, understanding direction. The direction of the movement on the number line is determined by the sign of the integer being added or subtracted. The next material examples of integer addition. The first, adding positive integer. Example, 5 plus 3 equal 8. Start at 5 on the number line and move 3 units to the right. The final position is 8. The second, adding negative integer. Example, -4 plus -2 equal -6. Start at -4 and move 2 units to the left. The final position is -6. The last one, adding integer with different signs. Example, 7 plus -3 equal 4. Start at 7 and move 3 units to the left. The final position is 4. Next, adding integer example. Example 1, 4 plus 7 equal 11. Start at 4 on the number and move 7 units to the right. The final position is 11. Example 2, -5 plus -3 equal -8. Start at -5 on the number and move 3 units to the left. The final position is -8. Example 3. 6 plus -9 equal -3. Start at 6 on the number and move 9 units to the left. The final position -3. The last one, material example of integer subtraction. Subtracting positive integer. Example, 6 min 2 equal 4. Start at 6 on the number line and move 2 units to the left. The final position is 4. Next, subtracting negative integer. Example, -3 min -5 equal 2. Start at -3 and move 5 units to the right. The final position is 2. Remember, subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. Next, subtracting integer with different sign. Example, 2 mean negative 1 equal 3. Start at 2 and move 1 unit to the right. The final position is 3. Next, subtracting integer example. Example 1. 8 mean 3 equal 5. Start at 8 on the number and move 3 units to the left. The final position 5. Example 2. Negative 2 mean 5 equal negative 7. Start at negative 2 on the number and move 5 units to the left. The final position is negative 7. Example 3. 7 mean negative 4 equal 11. Start at 7 on the number and move 4 units to the right. The final position equal 11. Several examples of practice questions on adding and subtracting integer that you can do. Have a great time doing it. That's all and thanks.